across a desert and an ocean to get away from the pain of your stomach. Chase the sunlight, been running from your shadow so that I could heal. And I